Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to use 16 boxes on your TikTok live to invite more guests. Alright, so normally we have 4 boxes, 6 boxes and 8 boxes available on TikTok, but right now some people on TikTok can now make use of 16 boxes. Right, so let me show you how to check if you can make use of 16 boxes on TikTok. So by the way, in order for you to get this feature, you have to make sure your TikTok application is updated, and besides that, the feature has to be available in your country. So if it's not available yet in your country, you won't be able to get this feature. Okay, so let me show you if you are eligible to make use of this feature on TikTok now. So if you want to check that, you just have to click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. After doing that, you have to click on the go live button. Right, so you'll be live in 3 seconds. Alright, so once you are live on TikTok, if you look at the bottom left corner of your screen, you see these 2 options. You see the host option and the guest option. Click on the guest option. Once you do that, you see the settings option at the top right corner of this window. Click on that, and if you have the 16 boxes available on TikTok, you'll be able to see it right here. But currently what I have is 3, 5 and 8. 3, 5, 8, and I think it's for the grid layout. But if you go to the panel layout, you will be able to see 4 and 6. All right, so I'm very sure that you can get that 16 boxes if you are on the grid layout. Right, so let me switch back to grid, and then once you have it, you will see the 16 options right there. But like I said, this is not available for everyone, and as you can see right here, it's not available to me. But this video is just to help you check if it's available to you and how you can use it. So if you have the 16 boxes available on TikTok, you'll be able to see it right here. So you have to stay tuned. If you don't have it yet, make sure your TikTok app is updated so that when it's available in your country, you'll be able to see it right here. So that's it guys. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.